Good day, everyone. My poster explores how empathy and communication can strengthen teamwork in culturally diverse and hybrid organizations using Sunway Property and Facility Management (SPFM) as context. We know that in today's global and flexible work environment, teams are made up of people from different backgrounds, generations, and roles. This diversity is powerful, but it also creates real challenges when it comes to trust and communication. So, my focus is on how an empathic collaboration model can help close these gaps and build more cohesive, innovative teams. At SPFM, our teams are spread across different locations from head office to on site and strata properties, and they come from various cultural and professional backgrounds. This creates a few key challenges. First, misinterpretation and conflict. For example, managers or executives often communicate in a high context, indirect way, while technician or admin staff expect more direct feedback. This difference can cause frustration or confusion about priorities. Second, a lack of empathy and inclusion. Some team members feel their opinions are overlooked, especially when meetings are dominated by senior voices. Third, hybrid work gaps. Because strata teams are based at their own building, they rarely have those informal chats that build relationship of trust. Remote members sometimes feel left out of decisions. Over time, these communication gaps reduce motivations and collaborations and eventually affect service quality and tenant satisfactions. So the key issue isn't that our people lack skill, is that we need stronger connection and empathy across team. To address this, I developed the empathic collaboration model. It builds around four pillars. First, empathic leadership. Leaders who genuinely listen, acknowledge emotions, and provide psychological safety. When people feel heard, they are more open and innovative. Second, cultural intelligence. Understanding and adapting to different working styles. For instance, pairing staff from different backgrounds for projects help bridge communication styles. Third, structured communication. We need clearer guidelines for meetings, updates, and feedback, combining live discussion with digital collaboration so no one gets left out. And fourth, collaborative technologies. Tools like Teams or Slack should be used not just for task management, but to create connection through virtual check-ins or informal sharing sessions. Together, these pillars create a cycle. Empathy builds trust, trust builds inclusion, inclusion builds collaborations, and collaboration drives innovations. So how can we make this real at SPFM? First, we can introduce short empathy and CQ training for line managers in Q1 to develop more emotionally intelligent leadership. Second, we create a simple One Sunway collaboration playbook in Q2, setting clear communications norms for hybrids and site teams. Third, roll out unified platforms so strata, maintenance, and head office staff share the same communication space in Q3. Lastly, we can track progress with biannual pulse survey and link result to team's KPI to see if trust and collaboration actually improve. And hold quarterly cross-department build the bridge events to keep relationship human and inclusive. In summary, communication and trust are the real foundation of performance in diverse teams. The empathy collaboration model gives a practical way to embed empathy, structure, and inclusion in how we lead and collaborate. By doing this, SPFM or organization like it can strengthen teamwork, boost innovation, and build a culture where people feel both valued and connected. Thank you.